Welcome to The Real Amanda Young. So excited to have you here. And today we're going to talk about castor oil. Will it help with varicose veins and how to apply castor oil and what to do to help diminish those varicose veins. So if you're new here, welcome. I'm Amanda, been in menopause for many years and just was looking for ways to really navigate through this season because it's been a rocky road. Ask my spouse and other people around me, okay? So I was looking for just tips and hacks on just really how to navigate through this season. And one area that I noticed was varicose veins actually got worse as I got older. I already struggled with them. I've tried many different things. If you've ever tried to get rid of varicose veins, they're not easy to get rid of. I've tried lots of different lotions, sclerotherapy, all kinds of things to really diminish the varicose veins, the appearance of them, because they, for me, they're just not the most prettiest thing, you know what I'm saying? Also, remember to click the subscribe button so you get notified when I put videos out. So what you're gonna do for varicose veins is I use a castor oil pack. It came with a variety of different ones. One of them actually is applied for your neck, but you can use this one that's great for legs. Unless you have a lot of varicose veins on your legs, I'll give you another tip on how to deal with that because that's where I was at. But if you're just focusing on like one area of varicose veins, this castor oil pack is great. So what you're gonna do is take 1 teaspoon of castor oil, you're gonna apply it to the castor oil pack, let it sit for about 30 minutes, and then you're gonna apply that to wherever the varicose vein is at. I would wear it overnight so it can go really deep and penetrate really deep into the varicose vein. If you like to check out the packs and the castor oil that I use and also other different ways, I will put links down in the description for you to check out. But for me, like I had a lot of variety of different varicose veins. The one castor oil was not going to work for me, the castor oil pack. So what I do is I take after I take a shower and stuff, I apply castor oil to the varicose veins that I want to diminish. I just apply, it's very thick and it also stains. I just want to give you that tip. So I would wear old pajama pants that you don't care if it gets stained or not, because it will get stained and it's very thick. So you're going to apply it like lotion. You're just going to rub it into the varicose veins that you're wanting to take care of, and just massage that castor oil into the veins. It's going to go deep into the veins. It's going to penetrate. It's going to help improve blood circulation as well. So you're going to do that. I use it every single night, and I notice a big difference in a few weeks on the diminishing of them. I don't think it will cure them or completely go away, but they really diminish big time. So that is a tip and hack on how to use castor oil for varicose veins. If you'd like to learn what kind of packs and oils that I use, I'll put the links down below for you to check out as well. Also, remember to click the subscribe button and so you can get notified when I put videos out. So thanks so much for joining today. I hope this was helpful and valuable, and have an awesome day. Bye.